How to print grid lines in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow and we should be able to print out the grid lines on Excel. Let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up your Excel sheet and make sure that your data is ready. Go ahead and open it up, and once your data is ready, you can click on the option called Page Layout at the top menu. This one right here. And once we click on this option called Page Layout, what we need to do is basically go ahead and look out for the option called Gridlines. So in the sheet section here, we can look out for this option called Gridlines and check the box that says print. And this will tell Excel to include the gridlines when printing. Now you can preview before printing. You can just go and press Ctrl plus P and it will show us the gridlines available here. Check if the gridlines are visible or not. And you can just go and print your sheet. You can select up your printer and click on this option called print and go ahead and print it out. Grid lines only show if the print grid lines is enabled. So if you have not enabled it, you can just go and enable this option called print and you should be able to do it. If you use borders, those prints will even be printed without grid lines. You can use those options, and print preview helps and avoid wasting the paper. And this is how you should be able to do it. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.